Hello guys, it's Luke Mead, and today in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create bold text inside of Facebook. Now we can use this inside of Facebook to put on posts, or we can use it inside of Facebook in our ads, or other places like albums or videos or captions. Let's get straight into it, guys. So what you need to do is find a Facebook bold text generator. Quickly Google that, and the one I like to use is called Yay Text. The website looks like it's from the 90s, but it works really well. You simply input the text that you want to have, and Yay Text actually gives you a couple of options of how it can be displayed. We've got some bold variations, some italic variations, and some bold and italics. So what we want to do is we want to put in our text and then hit copy and copy this. We can then take this across to Facebook, where we can put it into either creating a post like this, and we can add it in here, or we can add it into our Facebook ad if we want, by adding it in here. Now, you can see the difference here. I've just put this in. If I write test underneath, you can see that there is actually a massive difference inside of the regular text and then how this bold text looks. Now, I really like to use bold text to break up content inside of Facebook because there are no headings. I like to use bold text to break it up and make it a bit easier to read. So for example, I would call this heading 1, and I would copy this, and I would put this in here, and then it might be heading 2 in here. I've got to adjust that. Heading 2. And you can see that this makes reading text inside of Facebook much easier because we have access to subheadings now. So you can actually write some really long-winded ads or posts, and you can use this technique to actually break it up and make it a lot more user-friendly. You can see it also works on mobile devices too as well. And I think this is actually better on mobile devices, because mobiles obviously being smaller, like this, means you've got less space to read. So having these headings able to break out text inside of ads or inside of posts just makes it a whole lot easier for people to consume your content and decide if they want to read it or if they want to get some value from it. So I highly recommend you play around with this. And Yay Text actually has some italic variations as well. So if you want to copy some of these, you can actually try these out and see how they work as well for you. I don't mind them either. I just think the bold looks a little bit nicer because of the fact it's easier to read and stands out. I find italics can be a bit wishy-washy sometimes. So I really recommend using the bold, but the italics work too. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. I'll speak to you next time. Ciao, ciao.